Hi, this is Dr. Kunka Bheemalingappa. I heartily welcome you. In this video, I am going to discuss about operators in Python. These are the contents that what we are going to cover in this video. We have different types of operators in Python, like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, and identity operators. First, so these are the different types of operators that what I listed out. Coming to this arithmetic operators, we have the following operations, arithmetic operations, namely like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So what is this addition operation? We know an expression consists of operators and operands. So in addition operation, two operands are added and result will be assigned to the left hand side identifier. For example, here A and B are two operands. Between these two operands, we have the addition operation, that is plus. So if the values of this A and B are say 15 and 10 respectively, then on adding, the result becomes 25, and that 25 will be assigned to this R. So let us execute this. So here I am giving an example showing. Let me clear the outputs so that freshly we can execute each and every cell. So this is a snippet of code which demonstrates about the various arithmetic operators in Python. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also we have that modulus operator. So coming to this, here I have taken the two variables with initial values. A value is 46 and B value is 4. I'm just displaying a message before I perform this arithmetic operation. So along with the message, I am displaying what is the result that what we are going to get. So here this is just a message, and after that in place of this is a arithmetic expression involving this addition operation. So in place of this A plus B, the sum of this A and B, it is going to get displayed. We are known that the sum of this A and B is 46 plus 4, that is 50. So in place of this this print statement, addition of two numbers A plus B is equal to, you are going to get the value as that is 50. And the second operation is, that is minus operation. So these arithmetic operators are binary operators. It involves two operands. So the second operand is going to get subtracted from the first operand, and if you are going to have that, if you have used that statement along with this assignment statement, that result is going to get assigned to the left hand side of this assignment operator identifier. And using that identifier name, if you want to print the value of that, you can print it. So here, but directly I am using this expression in the print statement without assigning that, without getting that value assigned to without, I am not using assignment operator. So directly this value of this expression, it is going to get printed here. So here 46, the values of A and B are 46 and 4. So 46 minus 4, in the sense it becomes 42. So in place of this print statement, it is going to get printed, that is 42. And then multiplication of two numbers. So this is the operator that what we use for multiplication, that is a product. So, and this is the operator for division, that is forward slash. And there are two types of division operators, single forward slash and double forward slash. So in case of this single forward slash, you are going to get that fractional part, whereas in case of this double slash, you are going to get only this integer part. We also have one more operator, namely that is modulus or reminder operator. The symbol for that operator we are going to use is, that is percentile symbol. So let us execute and verify the output so that you can understand this. See, this is what the message it has got displayed at first. For A is equals to, in place of this A, this value of A is going to get printed, and in place of this B, the value of that B is going to get printed, and then this message you are going to get. This is a new line character. So the next output we have got in the next line, that is calculate the following. And then yeah, we have got this message addition of two numbers, that is A plus B is equal. So in place of this A plus B, you got that sum of this A and B, which is 50 here, and in place of this A minus B, you have got it is 42, and 46 into 4, that is multiplication, that is third operation, that is its value is 184, you have got it. And then division operation, here you have got 46 by 4, that is 11.5, that is fractional part we have got, as we have used this single slash. If you are going to use a double slash, then you are going to get only that integer part, that is 11. That fractional part is you are not going to get. And then a reminder, here the value of A is 46, 46 by 4, that is 44, 4 11 ja 44. So 46 minus 44, that is remainder 2 you have got. So that is what this. And then this is exponent operation. So this first operand is going to rise to this second operand value. Here the first operand is 46. So 46 power value of B is 4, right? So 46 into 46 into that 46 into 46, that is 44 times. So that's the value is this. So this is how you can use this arithmetic operators. Moving on. Next we discuss about the other type of operators, namely that is comparison or relational operators. So we have discussed about this part, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then remainder and exponent. Moving on. Yeah, now we are going to discuss about that is other type of operators, namely that is comparison operators. All this part we have seen. Yeah, comparison operators. So Python, we have the following comparison operators like equal, not equal. So for equal, you have to write this you have to use this assignment operator, that is twice. Okay, that is the difference between assignment operator and this relational operator. Yeah. So for equal or not equal, this is how you are supposed to use. That is exclamatory symbol followed by that is assignment symbol without any space between them. So that is what. And less than or equal, we also have that is greater than or equal, or say less than or say greater than. So these are the different types of relational operators that what we have. So this the relational operators, they produce a Boolean value as the output. Boolean value as the output. So here is an example demonstrating about this comparison or say relational operators. So here I have taken the two variables with some values 46 and 4, and here I am making use of this relational operators, that is equal, not equal, less than or equal. So accordingly you are going to get the result based on satisfaction of that condition. So is A is equals to B? No. Therefore you are going to it is going to return a Boolean value, that is a false. And here A is not equals to B. This statement is true. Therefore it is going to give a Boolean value, that is a true, like that. And then less than or equals to B. 46 is 46 is less than or equals to 4? No. Therefore you are going to get that is false. Like this you are going to get the output on execution of this code. So I have shown the use of all the relational operators in one snippet of code. So this is what this relational operators, and this is what the result here you have got. At first I have compared equality, so you have got false. Not equal, that is a true. And then I compared that is less than or equal, that is a false. 46 is greater than 4, that is the reason you have got that is okay, false, and greater than or equal, that is a true, therefore you have got it true. And 46, yeah, this is just less than and greater than. Here before that I have used a less than or equal or greater than or equal. So accordingly you have got 46 is greater than or equals to 4. That is the reason at this place you have got it true. And 46 is greater than 4. That is the reason I have got it true. For greater than or equal to, you have got the Boolean value as a true, and for less than and less than or equal to, you have got its value as a false. Yeah, moving on. Yeah, this is the snippet of code demonstrating the use of this relational or comparison operators. Let us execute this code. I have highlighted this cell, what I am talking about. Let us execute this and verify the output. So already you are known the outputs, right? That what you are getting. So this is what this. So it is going to just produce this Boolean value. So you have two Boolean values, true and false, right? So and depending on whether that condition is satisfied or not, accordingly it is going to produce a Boolean value. Yeah. So that is about this relational operators. This part we have seen about this relational operators or say comparison operators. Next we are discussing about that is assignment operator. So you can use this assignment operator in combination with arithmetic operators. Already have discussed about the various arithmetic operators in Python, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the right side part expression is evaluated, and the result of that right side part of this assignment is assigned to this left side part of this assignment operator. So the value of here the expression is b plus c. The value of this b plus c is evaluated, and the result of that b plus c will become the value of this a. So this is how this operator it works, that is assignment. So we can use, as I told you, we can use this assignment operator in combination with arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction. So this is here I have used this assignment operator in combination with what? That is addition operation. So what will happen here, and since I have shown that is a plus is equals to b, shorthand assignment operator we say. So what will happen? The value of a and b are added, and it is assigned to that is left side operand. So this a plus is equals to b can be rewritten as what? A is equals to a plus b. So this a is going to get a new value. That is what this, suppose for example, if I take the values of this a and b as say 15 and 20 respectively. The sum of this 15 and 20 is 35. So the value of a will become that is 35. That 35 is going to get assigned to again this a. So in the shorthand side assignment operator, whatever you have to the left of this a, that will become that will appear to the right of that assignment as a first operand. So that is what this shorthand assignment operator with addition. In a similar fashion we can have with respect to, that is we call it as add, and this we call it as subtract and, like this. We have multiply and division and like this. So I think I understood the operation, the concept behind this shorthand assignment operator. So this is with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also you can use with already you are known about what this modulus operator is used, that is percentile symbol, that is remainder, right? So this is exponentiation operator. So in combination of all this you can use this assignment operator, and you are known the basic difference between single forward slash and 2 forward slash. So in single forward slash, you are going to get that is a fractional part. In double forward slash, you are going to have only this integer part. Now let us see an example demonstrating. So here I have taken two variables with initial values 34 and 6c, 34 and 6. So this is just a message, and I just shown it as what that is arithmetic operation only. So if you want to change it, right, you can change and directly print. You can use that statement and then you can print so that you can understand. Yeah. So this is the snippet of code which demonstrates about this assignment operator. Yeah, let us execute this code. Yeah, 34 plus 6, that is 40. In fact, I have not shown as a shorthand assignment. If you want to use it as a shorthand assignment, you can use it here. So first verify this arithmetic operations results, then we can see that with slight change. Yeah, this is as per this arithmetic operations, you have got this result. So let me copy this code in a new cell so that I can show you for one or two, or say for all shorthand assignment operators. Control C. Yeah, I'm going to insert a new code. Here I can copy that. So these are the values of this A and B. I can use as a shorthand assignment A plus is equals to B. You know, okay, what happens? The value of this A, it is going to become what? 35. And no change with respect to the value of this B. So if you print these values of A and B, upon execution of that statement, A plus is equals to B, then the value of this A is going to be a 40, and no change with respect to the value of this B. Let us execute this, right, so that we can understand this. Let me see, A is equals to 40 and no change with respect to the value of B. So in a similar fashion, whatever the arithmetic operation you want to perform, say minus. So in the display also, right, if you want to change this statement, right, you can change. So as per that you are going to get. So here what will happen? The second A is equals to A minus B. A is equals to A minus B. So 34 minus 6, that is 28. Yeah. So that 28 will become the value of this A. So on execution of this statement, so once again, right, I am freshly executing. So you are going to get the value of A is 28 and B as 6. So in this way, this shorthand assignment operators, it works. I think you understood. So the explanation follows for rest of the shorthand assignment operators. Like so instead of if you use it as, say, like B is equals to A minus B, then what will happen? B is equals to B plus plus or minus, no, anything you can use. So let me use, say, plus equals. So what is the meaning of this statement? B plus is equals to A. It is same as what? B is equals to B plus A. So here what will happen? The sum of this A and B, it is going to get assigned to what? That is a B. So this time you can find the change in value of B, no change in the value of A. Let us execute this so that you can understand that. See, right now the values of A and B are 34 and 6. Here what will happen? 40 will become the value of B and no change with respect to the value of A. So let us execute this so that you can understand that. See, here in the message also, right, you can change that message because I have used a shorthand assignment as plus equal, not minus equal. It is up to you. Yeah. Let us execute this, right, once again so that you can understand that. See, at first I printed A and then B. So no change with respect to the value of A. You can find the change in the value of only B. So you have got in place of this B, it has got printed 40. I think you understood this. So this is how you can make use of this shorthand assignment operators in Python. And then PowerPoint slide. Yeah, this is what I have discussed. And then we have bitwise operators like OR and XOR. So what is this bitwise? And this is a symbol that what we use for bitwise AND. That is a single ampersand symbol, right? You have to use single. Here A and B are operands, and this single ampersand symbol denotes that it is a bitwise operator. So you know how this bitwise AND it works. When both are 1, result will be 1. In the remaining cases, it is a 0, right? So that is a bitwise AND. In a similar fashion, we have bitwise OR. So when both bits are 0, the result will be 0. In the remaining cases, it will be 1. That is what this. That is a bitwise OR, and this is a bitwise XOR. When both bits are same, the result will be say 2 bits are different, the outcome bit will be 1, else it will be 0. Yeah, when both bits are same, output will be 0. In the remaining case, it will be 1. That's what this. And this is a negation operator. So you can get there is complement. So moving on. So we also have like bitwise left shift and also bitwise right shift. So first let us see this bitwise operators. So here I have taken 2 variables. Yeah. And then I am use that is A and B. The representation of this 7 in binary form is what? 111, whereas 8 is what? 1000. So I am using this logical operator, and so as per that you are going to get this result. Let us execute and verify the output one by one so that you can easily understand. See, bitwise AND of this 7 and 8, I have got it as a 0. Bitwise OR of this A and B, I have got it as a 15. This is XOR, and this is what you say negation, that is complement. Negation means 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, and this is a left shift, and this is the right shift. So as per this, I have got the result. Yeah, this is what about this bitwise operators. Yeah, we have seen the output also, what you are going to get as per this. And then moving on, logical operators. The symbol that what we are going to use for this logical AND operator is the word you have to use A and D. And for logical OR, you have to use the word OR. And for logical NOT, you have to use the word that is NOT. So these are like logical operators. So logical AND operator, it returns a true when both operands values are true. In the remaining cases, it is false. In a similar fashion, logical OR, when both operands Boolean values are false, it returns a Boolean value that is a false. In the remaining cases, it is a true. So and then this is NOT. Here you can use a single operand. So if the operand value is a false, then it returns a true, and vice versa. So this is about logical operators AND or NOT. Here I have taken one variable with value that is 7. The name of that identifier here is that is a. Here I am checking. What I am checking here, yeah. So is A is greater than 5 and is A is less than 7. Here the value of A is 7. Is 7 is greater than 5? Yes. And here second one is what? Is 7 is less than 7? this is a false. True and false, it becomes that is a false. So because of that reason, here you have got this output in place of this statement. Here it is a false. Yeah, in the same way, here is you are known the value. See here is what is a is greater than 5. Yeah, 7 is greater than 5. It is a true. And this is a what? 7 is less than 7. It is a false. This is a true. So true or false, it becomes a true. When both are false, then only it is a false. Because of this reason, I have got here the output as okay, true. When both are false, then only a false. In the remaining cases, it is true. Here one is true and the other one is false. So that is the reason I have got it as a true. And then a is greater than 5 and a is greater than 7. In the first, this one you have seen already, and you are known its output is a false. So not of falses, that is a true. That is the reason you have got here the output as what? True. Moving on. So and that is what about this logical operators. Now we are going to discuss about the last type of operator in Python, namely that is a membership operator. So we have two types of two membership operators, namely that is in and not in. So you can test some value whether it is present in say some list or tuple or dictionary. If so, if the value matches, then it returns a Boolean value that is a true, otherwise false. So that is what this in and not in it says. So let us execute the code and see. Here this is a list having some values, and here I have taken two identifiers with values 31 and 28. So first here I am going to print that list, and then I am checking if x in not in my list, not in. So 31, is this 31 is not in list? Yes, 31 is not in list. Therefore that is a true, right? So it prints this statement. So here you are using in combination with conditional statement. If this condition is true, this statement will be executed. So you are known that 31 is not there in this list, so this statement will be executed like this. So and then this is an example for not in, and this is an example for in. So you are known the value of y is 28, and you check for that 28. That 28 is there in this my list. Therefore, and that condition is true. Therefore, this statement is going to get printed. Yeah. So let us execute this code so that you can understand that. So this is what I have discussed about logical operators. Yeah. Now we are talking about this. Yeah. That is membership operators in and not in. So you are known in this case x 31 is not there in this list. So this if block statement will be executed. That is x is not present in the given list. That is what the message you are going to get with the execution of this code. See, x is equals to 31 is not present in the given list, and using this if block, right, that is y you are known 28 and you are known 28 is there in the list. So if block statement is this, y is equals to, that is value it is going to get printed, that is 28, that is present in the given list. So that is how this you can test the presence or absence of a given value in a list or tuple or whatever you want to check. And then we have one more type of operator, namely that is this last one, identity operator. So that is if we have two types of identity operators, namely that is and is not. So with what this is operator it says is this, you have to use the word that is is. So if the references on both sides point to the same object, it returns a value that is a true, otherwise it returns a value false. And that is the reverse of this. is not. So this is an example. Here A and B are two lists having the same values, but they are having different name here. So and then what I am doing here, I am assigning this A to C. I am assigning A to C. So and then I am printing A is a C. A is a C in the sense A and C, are they both referring to the same object or not? Right. So let us execute this code and we will verify. And also we are checking A with C and also A with B. Right. So this is what about A is C, that is a true. A is a true in the sense they both are referring to the same object. So this is true means definitely this one is false. So that is what the advantage of this Python. They are going to share the memory. Here A and C, they are going to make use of that same memory. So that is what this. And A, here you are known A and B list names, both are lists, they have different name but values are same. So A is B, what you are getting, that is a false. In the sense though they have same values, but they are not sharing the memory, so their objects are different. So that is the reason it has got A is B as false you have got. So A is B is false means definitely A is not B is true, like this. And then A is equals to B, you are known that they both are two lists having the same values, therefore it is going to return a boolean value true, and not equals to B, that is it is going to return a value false. So let us execute this code so that we can understand that same thing. Already have given the explanation, so you can execute this code so that you can understand this. See, A is a C. A is C in the sense they are referring to the case, that is they are sharing the same memory location. Identity of these two objects is same, that is what this. Right. So this is how you can. This is what about the various operators in Python. So this is what we have discussed in today's session. Thank you. That is various operators in Python, namely arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, membership operators, and identity operators. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you a good day.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.